How to create emoji wallpaper on stock Android 15 device. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style option. Now tap on more wallpapers. At the top right side you can find the emoji workshop on your stock Android 15. Not all devices support this feature, so if available tap on emoji workshop. Now tap on a create emoji wallpaper, tap on a plus option. Now here you can see three options: emoji, patterns and colors. Let's see how it works. In emoji you can add up to 14 emoji at a time. Tap on a edit emoji icon at the bottom. Now select the emoji you want to add. Here we select this emoji on my device. When complete, tap on a right icon arrow. Now tap on a patterns. Here you can choose the pattern how looks emoji on your wallpaper. So select the pattern from the lotus, stack, sprinkle, prism. You can also increase or decrease the icon, emoji icon like this. So select the option. Here we select the first option, mosaic. Now tap on a colors. Here you can choose the color you want to set on your device. So select the color. Here we select this color. You can see several different colors available. Now we select this. You can also tap on inspire me to automatically create a emoji wallpaper. After that tap on a top right corner arrow icon. Now tap on a set wallpaper. Here you can see how it looks on home screen or lock screen. Tap on a set wallpaper from the top right corner. Now select the option you want to set, home screen or lock screen wallpaper. Here we select the lock screen only. Now tap on a set. Now wallpaper set successfully message available. Now lock your Android 15 and you can see set the emoji wallpaper on your Android 15. That's it. If you like it, share it.